Hello everyone and welcome to the video tutorial on how you can use text box and shapes in Google Docs. This is Sabine from Create, Login and Delete, and without further ado, let's jump into our topic. In order to enter shapes and text box to your Google Docs, what you can do is go to Insert first and then go to Drawing, the third option, click on New, and this right here will be your canvas, right? So in order to choose a shape, what you can do is click on this option right here as shown in the screen, go to Shapes, go to arrows, go to callouts, go to equations. There are lots and lots of shapes available for you to draw in Google Docs. So let me just create something simple, yeah? Just go to shapes, then I'll just choose this, right? The love sign. And in order to draw, what you should do is hold your cursor and drag like this. Now after you're done with it, just leave it and your shape has been formed. If you want to change your color, then what you can do is just go to this fill color section right here and just change your color. So it's as easy as that. Now the thing to remember is that this feature works in layers. Now in order to add shape, again what you can do is just go to shape. So let me just draw as I showed you before. So what you need to understand is that this tool works in layers, right? If you have this smiley placed later, then the heart is totally blocked. In order to place this image in back of the heart, then what you can do is right click on the image, go to order and click on send backwards. There are many other options like bring to front, bring forward, send backwards, send to back, right? So I'll just send it to back, and then now the heart has blocked the smiley face. So this is another basics while using shapes. And now what if you need to select the entire image? What you can do is just control and select the entire image like this, right? So after you're done with it, if you want to change colors, then what you can do is go to fill color. So you can see that both of these shapes have been changed in color. Now in order to add a text box, what you can do is simply click on text box. So after this is done, let's just put a color in it as well, right? And you can also place the text box inside the shapes wherever you want. And this is really bad that I drew, but you can work it out, you can figure it out, you know the basics, right? So you can figure it out after you try and do it. Just get used to it and you can create any shapes that you want. In order to have this document inside your Google Docs, you can just click on save and close, and then the thing that you just created will be just placed exactly inside your Google Docs. So that's it for today. These are some basics on how you can use shapes and text box and drawings, right? So don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much.